My name is Nurin Adlina, Mohamad Faris from BA 1185B.
My name is Nuril Arissa binti Yusop and I am from BA 1185B.
My name is Wafa Batrisya binti Abd Rahman and I am from BA 1185B.
My name is Ruzianisza binti Ruslan and I'm from BA 1185B.
My name is Syafiqah binti Abd Latif and I am from BA 1185B.
Okay, Ralph, can you mark it, please?
Do you want me to click it now?
Yep, go for it. Go on.
In this video, we are going to tell you why animal testing exists and why it is really of the past. We will also tell you everything you need to know about the cruelty-free world all in one place and show you how to make smarter, more informed choices as a consumer. What does the cruelty-free mean? There are a few misconceptions about the word, so let's all get on the same page. A cruelty-free company is a company that does not test its products on animals. Cruelty-free only refers to the animal testing aspect of animal cruelty, which is the standard definition. Cruelty-free means not tested on animals. Even though the definition of cruelty-free is universal and simple, but it is tricky to determine which brands are truly cruelty-free. Animal testing has been a practice in the United States since the early 1920s. 1938 marks the year that the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act passed in the United States, mandating animal testing to establish the safety of any new drug. It is the marketing of a poisonous drug, which is sulfonamide, has causing over 100 deaths that led to this act. Since then, animals have been subjected to tests for the development of all kinds of new drugs and also for cosmetics, household cleaning products, food additive and pesticide.
Each year, there are more than 100 million animals including mice, rats, rabbit, hamsters and monkey are killed in United States laboratories for biology lessons, medical training, curiosity-driven experimentation, and also cosmetics testing. Before their deaths, some are forced to inhale toxic fumes, others are immobilized in restraint device for hours, and others have their skin burned off or their spinal cords being crushed. In addition to the determinants of the actual experiments, animals in laboratories are deprived of everything that is natural and important to them. They are confined to barren cages, socially isolated, and psychologically traumatized. The thinking, feelings, animals who are used in experiments are treated like nothing more than disposable laboratory equipments.
First, spot the certified cruelty-free bunny logo, vegan, organic, and halal certified. This is actually the most straightforward method of determining your brand. You are good to go if the label has the certified cruelty-free bunny logo, vegan, organic, and halal certified. Your product is free from animal testing. For example, Cosmoderm, a Malaysian skincare brand owned by Vanity Cosmeceuticals Berhad, say in press release that their brand is cruelty-free, vegan, and organic. Second, review or look up online about the brand. Check the facts or about us page on a brand website if it's claimed to be cruelty-free. This page should give information that you are required. For example, Velvet Vanity, a Malaysian cosmetic brand. Their facts and about us website page strongly claim that their products were vegan, formulated free from animals' ingredients, and never tested on animals. If you scroll down on their website, these are the proof that they strongly claim about it. Next, if you go to the help section and click on facts, these are the frequently asked questions by consumers, and they also include a question to determine their product are cruelty-free like this and like this. Lastly, number 3, you can email or ask the company directly for more information. This method takes the longest, but you have complete control. By writing a precise question to email and ask brand, you can ensure that all of your cruelty-free issues and queries are answered. For example, Safi is actually product that Malaysian made and owned. One of Safi consumer asked the brand directly on Instagram, and they also have confirmed that all their products are cruelty-free. As you can see, there is various methods to determine whether or not a cosmetic product or a brand is cruelty-free. It is easier to go cruelty-free now than never.
Start with PETA. It is a well-known animal rights on the organizations. PETA is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. It is the world's largest animal rights organization. It was founded and is led by Ingrid Newkirk, 70 years old. Newkirk is the author of several books, the most recent of which is Animal Kind, which was published in January with over 6.5 million members and supporters. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, PETA, is the world's largest animal rights organization. PETA raises awareness about animal cruelty through public education, investigations, research, animal rescue, legislation, special event celebrity, involvement, and protest campaigns. Humans are just another animal species, according to People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. No more special or important than a snail, darter, or a dairy cow. Animal trainers, hunters, fishermen, cattlemen, grocers, and indeed all non-vegetarians are the moral equivalent of cannibal slave owners and death camp guards, as one commentator put it. Humans have grown like a cancer, Newkirk claims, insisting that the world would be a better place without them, as we are the most heinous blight on the face of the planet. Here are the logos of cruelty-free products that can be trusted. First, Living Bunny logo. It is from CCIC and BUAV organization, which is a cruelty-free international organization. They are working internationally. Second, Caring Consumer logo from PETA organization. They are based in USA. Third, CCF Rabbit logo from Choose Cruelty-Free organization. They are based in Australia. All of them are the largest animals rights organization in the world. They work to end the animal experiment worldwide by investigating and exposing the reality of life for animals in
Next
laboratory.
is the arguments against animal testing. What exactly is it about animal testing that is so objectionable? Animals are poisoned, shot, burned, and killed every day by vivisectors. These heinous crimes would be felonies if they were committed outside of laboratories. Animals, on the other hand, suffer and die in laboratories on a daily basis, with little or no protection from cruelty. There are reasons why it should be stopped. To begin with, it is unethical. It is unethical to confine 100 million thinking, feeling animals to a laboratory cage and purposely inflict pain, loneliness, and fear on them. Second, it is unscientific. According to the National Institutes of Health, 95 out of 100 drugs that pass animal testing fail in humans.
So, I'm going to share with you on how to join the cruelty-free revolution and what the next step that we could take. To begin, alter your purchasing habits. It is critical to support a cruelty-free brands in order to make progress, such as you can search cruelty-free brands on your browser. and there are a lot of websites that shown. Click the top website that given. As you can see, in these websites, it shows numerous brands from A to Z that fulfill the criteria to be chosen as the product that not contain animal testing. It's cruelty-free. Second, do everything that you can to modify the rules governing animal testing. I am convinced that government are largely to take blame for animal testing and that animal testing law also must be implemented.
Many consumers these days want cruelty-free approach to cosmetics, but they are perhaps unaware that animal testing in cosmetics is still an ongoing issue today. It is also found that many companies claim that they are cruelty-free, but actually they're not, because they know it is an issue the consumers care about. So, by signing a petition or creating one, we could have the chance to get stronger safeguards for animals and combat animal mistreatment and cruelty. The endorsement could create a better life for animals around the world. Animal testing for cosmetic is an ugly industry. Rabbits and other animals suffer pointlessly for lipsticks and shampoo. Animals have been used for cosmetic testing for longer than 50 years. Yet, 80% of the countries in this world still have no laws opposed to animal testing in cosmetics, products and ingredients. So, by joining a campaign about cruelty-free upon animals, we could indirectly help persuading governments, international bodies, companies, communities, and individuals to get serious about defending these animals. Therefore, it could make life better for billions of animals from pointless suffering. Looking good should not involve cruelty at all. So, whenever you want to start applying or buying your products, think about whether your beauty care routine is contributing to pain and suffering for animals or not. Creating or joining an awareness could assist in creating the world where animals live far free from cruelty and suffering. One way is by creating a social media in every platform with posts of news and updates on animals abuse that occurs around the world, so that people around will be aware of what is happening behind doors where you do not see.
Lastly, is to make change in products you buy, such as skincare, makeup, and others. Here are some suggestions for permanently switching your skincare or makeup products to cruelty-free options. You must first make a slow change. You might feel compelled to restore your entire makeup collection, skincare routine, bath products, and cleaning supplies. This is far too much for most people to handle at once. Begin by assessing your products. However, don't feel obligated to make changes right away. The simplest way to stay current is to bookmark or print a list of cruelty-free brands from a reliable source. I recommend the Leaping Bunnies list of certified brands for beginners. You can also look at my own cruelty-free brand list, which includes company correspondence. Finally, try new brands and have fun.
During my search for products that are not tested on animals, I have come across a number of wonderful brands that are not always found in drugstore, aisles, or retail stores. I am confident that you will as well. I wish you luck, and don't be afraid to try smaller businesses, local cosmetics, or green beauty brands.
Worldwide, 100,000 to 200,000 animals suffer and die in animal experiments every year. Most commonly, the animals used are bunnies, rats, and guinea pigs.
These animals are nothing more than tools for experimentation, and they suffer in painful tests. At the end of the test, the animal is killed, typically by asphyxiation, neck breaking, or decapitation.
Share the knowledge. Not everyone is aware that animal testing for cosmetics still exists in 2021. and not everyone is aware how much cruelty the animals must endure.
Share this information on social media to help spread the word. That's it for this video, guys. We hope it will help clear up some things about animal testing.
Share all your support and we wish you the best of luck in your creative journey.